Everyone has the experience. We could lose a big project, late for work, disrupt an event because you were late, even you couldn't come. All happened just because of a small problem, a ticket, train ticket, that could give you a tremendous consequences, could make you a happy man, comfortable, laughing, sad, or angry. A beautiful memory that could be more beautiful than in the past if passenger, train lovers, and service provider feel comfortable. And now is the moment for PT Kereta Api Indonesia applying ticketing system based on IT called Rail Ticket System or RTS. The system adopts airline ticketing system which proved to be appropriate for passenger ticketing system. And this is new innovation in land transportation in Indonesia. The RTS project creates new business ecosystem which involve many industries that give better value to the customer. Just imagine, with RTS, we can choose travel destination, seat, and class. All can be adapted with customer lifestyle. Now, PT KAI can manage ticket reservation together with external parties with service quality such as banking, payment gateway, travel agents, retail stores, and so on. While sitting back in a park, campus, mall, supermarket, via internet, mobile phone, or tablet. Wherever and whenever you are, you can make train ticket reservation which supported by combination of payment services, Master Visa credit card or debit card via ATM. So customers don't need to go to counter in the station anymore. That's the bottom line of the RTS project. This RTS service convenience is the result of collaboration between PT KAI Commercial and IT team. PT KAI organizational capability enables them to disseminate internal information as well as exchange information with their partner. This can create new revenue based on integrating new channel and technology. And the result, RTS project can improve customer service, reducing fraud, give positive financial effect, and improving corporate image. We hope that the RTS project can give PT KAI employee something better, especially for employee directly involved in the project. So we hope the project can be continued according to plan. There are 2 geographical challenges. This service covers 2 major islands, Java and Sumatra. Total rail line length in those 2 islands is 4,600 kilometers, connecting around 100 cities. The RTS service covers almost 500 rail stations. Almost 3,000 users can log in to the system in 24-hour service. The system processes at least 3 million passengers in a month. Given a significant number of passengers, the system needs reliable application system and network.